environment is where we all meet, where we all have mutual interest. It is the one thing that all of us share. This quotation by Lady Bird Johnson means really accurate. We, all living creatures, whether we reside in different settings, are all part of this environment that existed until today. We all share the same sun, air, and water, which is something we all share from the beginning. Furthermore, our planet Earth is known to support life. This means we are abundant with great resources. This can be an indication that our environment is also rich enough that it can also support life. The true value of the environment is beyond our comprehension. However, educating ourselves about its significance will aid us in understanding its true meaning. It is essential to the environmental health of living things. Aside from that, it maintains the ecological balance that will regulate life on Earth. Environment meets every human need, big or small, including air, shelter, food, and other necessities that come from it. In addition, human life support is entirely dependent on the environment as it aids in the preservation of various life cycles on Earth. We humans also depend on the environment for the improvement of our well being, not just for the necessities. When we see this natural beauty, the forests, the mountains, the clean and purified air, it lifts our mood as it gives us power to overcome any challenges. Despite the environment has helped us and other living beings to flourish and grow from thousands of years, we also continue to destroy it. This is a major cause of environmental degradation because most of our activities do harm the environment in some way. The activities of humans that causes environmental degradation is pollution, defective environmental policies, chemicals, greenhouse gases, global warming, ozone depletion, etc.
All these affect the environment badly. Besides, this overuse of natural resources will also create a situation in the future where there will be no more resources for consumption, and the most basic necessity of living air will get so polluted that humans have to use bottled oxygen for breathing. Above all, increasing human activity is exerting more pressure on the surface of the earth, which is causing many disasters in an unnatural form. Like these days, we are suffering from climate change. In conclusion, the environment is what that keeping us alive. Without it, we won't be able to survive. Its contribution cannot be repaid. In return, we only damage and degrade it. Therefore, starting today, we should always take an action on the things we do to our environment because at the end, we will all suffer from the consequences we have made. Lastly, I will leave this quotation by Margaret Mead. We won't have a society if we destroy the environment.